Hi there, here I have ALCATEL1, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you have to remove back cover from your ALCATEL. You can hatch the back cover with your fingernail right here, and then without much effort, I guess you can remove the cover. Okay, so you will have to put some effort. That's not that easy, as you can see. It's just inserting this tool, how it's done on usual devices right now. Okay, so when you do it, you have slots here. Here you have your first SIM card slot, here you have your second SIM card slot, and here you have SD card. So let's insert our SD card here and our SIM card right here. And I guess, oh, I don't even have to restart my device. Brilliant. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that it's detected. So let's enter it. And there is also a notification that SD card found. And here it is. Okay, here you have SD card found too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.